Meaning of incomplete.
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 Incomplete. Incomplete refers to something that is not finished or lacks certain elements that are necessary for it to be considered complete. It can also imply imperfection or inadequacy. When something is incomplete, it may not fulfill its intended purpose or be fully functional. It can lead to confusion, frustration, and disappointment. Incomplete tasks, projects, or ideas require further attention to be brought to a satisfactory conclusion. Addressing incomplete issues in a timely and effective manner is crucial for achieving success in various aspects of life.